Hello children, how are you all? I know you all are good and you are studying well at home, right? Yes, now fast, come on tell me what we have learned first. Yes, we learned about alphabets and after that what we learned? Correct, we learned about vowels and then which was the first vowel, can anyone tell me? Right, A, and we learn about A sound words. Now we all are big children. So we learn alphabets. After that we learn A sound words. And after that we learn to form short sentences. Right children? Okay. So today you all are going to enjoy. You know why? Yes. Because we are going to do some activities. But before that, I am going to teach you something new. You want to learn? Yes. Are you ready? Okay. Now, there was a girl, small girl like you, cute one. Okay, you know her name? No? Okay, her name was Kavya. What was her name? Kavya. So, you are going to repeat this after me. Okay, children? Mom, where is my bag? What is Kavya telling her mama? Yes, she is telling, Mama, where is my bag? You ask your mummy, right? So, she is also asking her mother, Mama, where is my bag? All of you repeat after me. Mom, where is my bag? Then when you ask Mama, what Mama will say? Yes, she will answer you, right? What Mama will say? Suppose if your bag is on the table, she will say, it is on the table. If it is on the chair, what she will say? It is on the chair or it is inside the room. Correct children? So what Mama is telling Kavya? Baby, it is on the table. What Mama is saying children? Yes, baby, it is on the table. Now, what Kavya do? Yes, she is going and she is finding a bag. Is she able to find a bag? Come on, tell me. No, she is not able to find her bag. So, what she tells her mother? Mom, it is not there. Because she is not able to find a bag. So, what she is telling? Mom, it is not there. Okay, tell me, I will ask you one question here. You know where was the bag? Anybody knows? No? Okay, we are going to find out, okay? Now, again she asks her mama. What mama says? Oh, sorry my child. Mama forgets where the bag was. Then she remembers, right? So, what she is telling? Oh, sorry my child. It is under the table. Where was the bag? Yes, it was under the table. So, what Mama says? It is under the table. Okay, then what Kavya says? Yes, Mom, she is able to find a bag. So, what she is telling? Yes, Mom. Here it is. Yes, she is telling it is here. Then, what she is telling her Mama? Thank you. You say no, when Mama gives you something, you say thank you. What she is saying? Yes, Mom, here it is. Then she tells her Mama, thank you. So now, are you ready for some activities? Fast. Come on, be ready with your book and pencil. Come on children, fast. Very good. Okay. Now look this side. Can you see something? What? Yes, there are beautiful pictures. Now tell me, what is this? Correct. Rat. Then, yes, this everybody knows. Bag. Yes, this boys must be knowing. Yeah, because they play with it. What is that? Bat. And this mama knows because she always cook, right? What is that? Pan. Very good. And this side, can you see some words? Now you all are big children and you all are good children. So you all must be remembering these words, right? Still, once again we are going to repeat, okay? B-A-T, bat. All of you repeat. B-A-T, bat. Then P-A and pan. Again, P-A and pan. Once again, R-A-T, rat. Again, R-A-T, rat. Then B-A-G, bag. Again, B-A-G, bag. Are you ready for activity? Okay. What you are going to do? Here are pictures and this side words are there. You are going to join them, right children? Okay, now look at the first picture. What is this? Correct, rat. So we have to find where rat is. Come on, find. Correct, here it is. Come on, all of you join. Very good. Done all of you? Very good. This is R-A-T, rat. Now look at the next picture. Come on, all of you look on the board. What is that? Yes, your bag, right? So you have to find the word bag over here. Come on, tell me where it is. Right, here it is. So you are going to join here. Very good. Now this one is done for you. B-A-T, bat, right? Now look at the last picture. What is that? Look here. Yes, pan. Now where is pan? Here. Come on, join it. Okay. Done all of you? Very good. Enjoyed? Very good. So be good children, and every day you have to practice and do revision. Okay children? Take care.